As it comes to winter, I start to think of warm, comforting spices like cinnamon and cloves, and it really makes me want to bake. So today I'm making this delicious laid cake with cinnamon sugar and apples. I love the contrast between the soft, slightly tart apples and the warm, sweet crunch from the cinnamon sugar. A perfect treat for cold winter nights. Start by preheating your oven and lining a loaf pan with baking parchment. Next we'll make the cinnamon sugar, which couldn't be simpler. Take some soft light brown sugar, add some cinnamon and mix well. Now set aside while we make the cake batter. For this we'll start with softened butter. Mine was a little bit hard, so I just gave it a quick mix to soften it up. Now add the sugar, then just a bit of oil, and this will make your cake lovely and soft. Give it a quick stir, then go in with a whisk. Beat until the mixture turns from yellow in colour to cream and the texture becomes light and fluffy. Don't rush or skip this stage altogether, it's really important. It aerates the butter and it will give your cakes a wonderful texture. You can see the mixture here, it's almost doubled in volume, and that's what you're looking for. Next we'll go in with the eggs, which you really want to have at room temperature. Add them in one at a time and mix really well before you add in the next. Once all the eggs have been mixed in, take a spatula, scrape down the sides, then add the vanilla extract. Flour and milk go in next, alternating between the two. Add half the flour first, and using a spatula, fold in gently. Continue to fold until all the flour is incorporated. Don't be tempted to beat the mixture vigorously at this stage, otherwise you can overwork the batter and this can make your cake dense. Next add half the milk. Fold in, then go in with the remaining flour and add your baking powder too. Fold until all the flour is mixed in, then add the rest of the milk. Once you've got a lovely smooth batter, cut your apples into small chunks, grab the cinnamon sugar we made earlier and let's start to layer the cake. Place half the batter into the loaf pan, smooth it over, then sprinkle about 3/4 of the chopped apple, followed by the same amount of cinnamon sugar. Now finish with the remaining batter and top with the rest of the apples and the cinnamon sugar. Bake for 35 to 45 minutes or until an inserted wooden skewer comes out clean. Leave the cake to cool in the loaf pan for 5 minutes before taking it out and leaving it to cool completely on a wire rack. Now cut it into big chunky slices and enjoy.